What if every financial struggle you've ever faced, every bit of stress, every missed opportunity, all comes down to one broken idea about money you unknowingly accepted as a kid? It sounds almost too simple, but it's true. In the next few minutes, we're not just going to find that invisible belief. We're going to shatter it and replace it with one that actually builds wealth. Section 1. The invisible script. For years, I was on a financial hamster wheel, running as fast as I could, but getting absolutely nowhere. The invisible story I absorbed from my parents was, "You have to work to the bone just to survive." I never questioned it. And without realizing it, that one belief was secretly running my entire financial life. This is what experts call a money script, an unconscious belief from childhood that dictates our financial habits as adults. Maybe yours is rich people are greedy, wanting more is selfish, or the classic, "I'm just not a money person." These aren't just thoughts, they feel like undeniable facts, but they're just stories, and any story can be rewritten. Section 2. Discovering your story. So, how do you find your unique story? Let's get practical and ask 3 powerful questions. First, what's your earliest memory of money? Close your eyes for a second if you need to. Was it the tension during arguments about bills? Was it the shame behind the constant phrase, "We can't afford that"? Don't just recall the event, recall the feeling. Second, how do you physically feel when you think about your finances right now? Does your chest tighten with anxiety? Do you feel a wave of guilt, or maybe just overwhelming confusion? That immediate gut reaction is a massive clue. Finally, finish this sentence out loud. To me, money is... Don't overthink it. That first word that pops into your head, that's the raw, honest core of your money script. Section 3. The rewriting process. Once you can name your belief, you gain power over it. Now, you can rewrite it. First, challenge it like a detective. Is it really 100% true that you're bad with money? Can you find one piece of evidence, just one, where you handled money responsibly? Maybe you saved up for a coffee or paid a bill on time. That one exception proves the old belief is a lie, not a law. Next, reframe it. Turn the negative into a powerful positive. My old script, "Money is hard to earn," was exhausting. It became, "I create value, and money flows to me as a result." Another example, "Rich people are greedy," becomes, "I can be wealthy and generous." Write your new belief down. Put it on your mirror, on a sticky note on your laptop. Make it your phone's wallpaper. See it constantly. Finally, back it up with action. A new belief needs proof to stick. If your new story is, "I am a confident investor," your small action might be to simply read one article about investing this week. These small wins are crucial. They prove to your brain that this new reality is not just possible, but is already happening. Section 4. Living your new story. Imagine logging into your bank account and feeling calm and in control. Imagine looking at your future and seeing possibility instead of panic. Imagine money being a tool you use to design a life you truly love instead of a monster under the bed causing you stress. This is not a fantasy. This is the direct result of deciding to stop letting a subconscious childhood story run your adult life. I truly believe that changing this one core belief is the single most powerful financial move you can ever make, more than any budget or investment tip. In conclusion, if this resonated with you, I want you to do one thing today. Drop a comment below with the old belief you are officially ready to leave behind. Just the act of declaring it in public helps to release its hold on you. Let's support each other. And if you're serious about building a life of financial freedom, make sure you subscribe for more videos to help you get there. Your financial future isn't written in stone. It's a blank page waiting for you to write it.